Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Well, as you can see, I went and did something. I have been a teacher for 23 years and I tried a teacher planner one time in my entire career and I didn't like it. I don't know why, I just didn't. So this upcoming school year, I've gotten a new job. I have a new position. I'm going to be a gifted and talented facilitator, and I have not just, normally like 5 or 6 subjects to teach, but I actually have 6 classes to teach. And so I was watching a few YouTube videos and looking at these teacher planners, and I went to Michael's and look what I walked out with. Yeah, this is my haul. So I just want to go through and kind of share with you what I've gotten so I can see how this is going to help me for the upcoming school year. I'm really feeling good about it, especially after watching some other teachers who have YouTube channels. So if you're interested in seeing what I have, then just stick around. Alright, so the first thing that I picked up is this Today sheet. I got this from Hobby Lobby. I actually stopped by Hobby Lobby too. Let's see, on the front, and I'm sure y'all have seen these before, but if you haven't, these half sheets. So it's today, you put a date, and then it has priorities, like your top priorities, and then the back side says happy notes on there. So this is something that I'm just going to try to incorporate into my teacher planners to make sure I have a priority list every week. The next thing I picked up are these, oh my gosh, y'all, these dashboards are absolutely adorable. See if I can open it up. I think I'm in love with dashboards. I looked in my stash and I have quite a few dashboards. In fact, I have quite a bit of everything. Let's see. So this is a dashboard. This was really cute, black with some stripes on it. It's cute. This is the one. This is the reason why I got it. This girl right here. These polka dots with the glasses. Y'all know I wear black glasses, and it says all the things. Adorable. I don't know if you know this or not. If you know it, then, great. If you don't, Happy Planner always puts a little, I don't know, like a little covering back here behind the dashboards every time. You see that? So you have to take this off. So it's on every dashboard. So if you didn't know that, make sure that you take this off. I would think that that covering would be on the front to protect the front. It's on the back. Who knows? And then this one's very encouraging. You got this. This is cute. So I purchased it just for this one. So I'm going to start out with this. Next thing I picked up was some sticky notes. Oh, I think I'm a hoarder of sticky notes too. I've been trying to make myself use what I have and stay out of Michael's, Joann's, and Hobby Lobby. Now I've added Tuesday morning onto that. So yeah. So these sticky notes, this one is so cute, noted. Let me take this out so you won't have a glare. Cute. So let's see, it's noted. It's really cute. A little ice cream cone. Get the things. This backpack, adorable. Remember, exam or quiz. Today, study time, and top priority. I'll really need this. I'm getting ready to study for a new exam in order for me to keep my position, and so I need that study time. All right, so let's get into this box. I've not opened this, and I bought this a couple of weeks ago, and I wanted to wait to share it with you before I opened it. And next week is July, and so this is when teachers really start getting everything prepared and set up for the next school year. So I've had a month off from doing YouTube channels, really on Instagram. I just took some time off to reflect and enjoy my family. last year this time I was planning a wedding, so I'm excited to just have a time of rest. And so, but I'm back. All right, so although I'm a teacher, I'm just not into the cutesy little apple things. And so I got a planner that kind of went along, not with my personality. I have a personality that's, you know, over the top, but I don't know why. I just didn't want a planner with all the apples. They had some cute ones with like apples and scissors and things like that, but this one right here really spoke to me. So let's see. First thing, there is washi. Oh gosh, I probably will not use this washi. Why? You see why? See what it has on it? Apples. I know a long time ago apples were, that was just something for teachers, but nah, not so much. This next washi tape has these little pencils on it. This is cute. I'll use that. So washi tape. And then we have, let's see, what is this? Sorry to make all this noise. I'm shaking the table. Okay, some stickers. I almost bought the student stickers and the teacher stickers. I came home, I have 3 teacher books and 2 student books from the last time, and I hardly use them. So I'm like, nope, I'm not gonna let you buy any of those stickers until you use what you have. So this is, oh, these backpacks are adorable. That's cute. Teacher's rule, apples again. Eek. Only the brave teach, learn, grow, achieve. Love that. This says, remember things to do. These are great. Projects due, quiz, test today. So these are just some little stickers. It came with it to kind of get you started. Notes. These are getting cuter and cuter. I mean, every time Happy Planner comes out with something, it just keeps getting better and better. Ew, apples again. I'll try to use it. What we learn becomes part of who we are. I love that. Now, I love all the stripes. I don't know what it is with me and apples, but I think I remember because our teachers used to have on their vest, they would wear vests with apples on it and pencils, and then they have dresses on with apples and pencils. I mean, and I don't want to offend anyone. If you're a teacher and you love the apples, I mean, go for it. It's for you. You know, it's just not for me. I'll say that. Not for me. All right, let's see what's in this little package. Just not for me. Okay, so these some little journaling cards. You got this. I love these because you can put quotes on the back. I mean, it's a quote on the front, but you can put things to remember, quotes on the front. Kids you might need to meet with. Yeah, sometimes we need to write little letters to ourselves too. Live, love, and learn. It's got the grid on the back. And teach a happy life. I could keep this one in here every day. That's cute. All right, so let's get into this planner. Try to keep all my trash together. So, first thing we have, y'all, I'm going to fix this table too. I think that there is a leg that is either not screwed on right or there is something at the bottom that needs to be screwed. I'll check it out though. Only the brave teach. This is true. This is true. Okay, I love this, and this can go with my other little dividers. Okay. Love, love, love. Teaching is tough, but so are you. Has these green plastic disc. Ever since the metal disc have come out, I've changed out all my planners, and so I love this color green, but I'm probably gonna change it to gold. So I'll put some gold disc on here, and I'm gonna do a teacher setup video, so look out for that coming up soon also. So teaching is tough, but so are you. I love these colors. Of course, we have a picture of Miss Stephanie. And a welcome to Happy Planner. Okay, teacher edition. Like I said, this is new for me. I had one a couple of years ago. I didn't use it. because I actually felt like I had teacher lesson plans, and then I had the Happy Planner, so I didn't see how it was kind of beneficial to have my plans online and have this. But because I have to meet with 6 different groups, I've decided to kind of do like a main idea of what I was going to teach, and I don't have to actually always pull it up on my computer too, because it's different every time since I have different groups. The last time when I was teaching prior, I had the same group with different lessons. So room, I don't know my room number yet, because like I said, I've been to the school for an interview, I got the job, and that's it. I don't know the room number, address. This right here is cute, this little academic calendar. I'll probably go through and use my midliner markers to have it match my academic calendar that the district gives me. For the substitute, I'll probably take this out. I'll never leave my planner for the substitute. I have heard of some people making, no, I won't take it out because the next page, I'll just leave it here. I have heard some people making copies of this, putting it in their substitute folder to use it for that. So we'll see. Okay, this right here needs to be in every planner that Happy Planner creates. This right here, we need this in every planner. I mean, let me know in the description box, in the comment section, sorry. Let me know in the comment section how you feel about this page right here. I really think they need to put this in this overview, this year at a glance. Oh my gosh, I need this. This is going to help me with pre-planning too, because normally I write down put sticky notes and pre-plan for the year. And this right here will definitely help me with my pre-planning for each month. And so I love this. Oh, wow. This is the page. This is the page. If for nothing else, I'll have a planner just for this. Okay, so this planner starts in August, and school does start in August, except this planner ends in July, and school is out for me in May. So what I'm going to do is take this June out and July out, and I'm going to move this July to the front, and I'm going to redate it. Because I have coursework that I need to take in June, classes, you know, for the different classes that I have to take to have my hours for the state and my district. I also have some pre-planning that I do, and so I'm gonna just redate July and move it to the front. So y'all, this is so cute. So I love this, kind of like the currently page. Student birthdays is so important to make students feel great on their birthday. When they come to school, they're so excited for you to acknowledge their day. To do events and holiday goals, focus for the month. And so this is August. The classroom is my happy place. Love this. This is the monthly. The only thing I don't like about the monthly, which is fine since it's a teacher planner, is Sunday and Saturday. I almost wish this was just a monthly Monday through Friday and not to put anything on Saturday and Sunday. But since it's shaded, I am not a fan of shade, but it's okay. I'll get over it. So it's cute. It's yellow. Okay. So I love this. It's just kind of plain, and I'm more of a neutral person when it comes to planning anyway, so I'm glad it doesn't have a lot of, you know, design on it, I'll say that. So I'm going to set this up. I'm either going to try to create some stickers, something with my Cricut that says Kinder First, Second, Third, Fourth, Fifth, and To Do. That's what I'm gonna do. Or I might put To Do right here, Kinder First, Second, Third, Fourth, and Fifth. Or just, if it's not To Do, or like a note section. That's how I'm going to set it up. And then this will be everything for Monday, Tuesday. So this is how it looks. This is September. And I'll just go through and quickly and let you see the rest of them. Okay, so in the back is a checklist. Wake up, teach kids, be awesome. Yes, in the back is a checklist. And this is some checklists. You can put the kids' names. Teachers can use this for different, many different reasons. One can be for your grade book. My grade book is online, but sometimes I like to quickly just jot down the grades inside a grid like this, and I can have it. Also, at the beginning of the school year, there are sheets that need to be turned in, enrollment forms, and how do you get home forms. You can put student's name here, check that off there. Also, if you have field trip forms that need to be turned in, you can use it for, various reasons. I'll have to think about how I'm going to use this this year. Might just be something with various assignments. And then in the back there is a folder, which I'll probably move to the front. And that's it. So I love this this planner, and hopefully throughout the year I can show you also how I'm using it. I will have a setup video coming up pretty soon. I'm just kind of thinking through it, how I want to set it up, but I'm gonna go ahead and set up July and possibly August, or just at least set it up how I'm going to use it. So also, if you like this planner and you're not a teacher, you can use it also for social media. You can use it if you're a homeschool teacher. There are many planner babes that use the teacher planner for various reasons. So just because they like the way the layout is. I know Kell of a Plan, Heather Kell, she puts boxes on here. I think At Home with Quita does also. So you can just cover up these with colorful boxes and just rename them yourself. Like what are you gonna do for your house, your job. Each kid can have a box, and then you can do the dates up here. So the one thing I love about Happy Planner is that it's very customizable for your needs. And so that's it. If you have any questions or comments, let me know in the comment section. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more videos, please make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. I thank you so much for joining me again. And remember to think happy and be happy.